Niche Empire Builder. Launch a profitable micro offer in minutes, without tech, design, or copywriting skills. The fastest way to turn your idea into a ready-to-sell offer, even if you've never sold online before. Key features 1. AI-powered niche discovery tool to identify profitable, low-competition markets quickly. Key features 2. Step-by-step video training modules covering everything from setup to scaling. Key features 3. Built-in website and funnel builder for creating professional-looking pages. Key features 4. Comprehensive traffic generation strategies for both paid and organic methods. Key features 5. Access to a private community for networking and mastermind support. Pros 1. The all-in-one platform structure eliminates the need for multiple software subscriptions, consolidating tools and training into a single, cost-effective dashboard for streamlined business management. Pros 2. The initial learning curve is mitigated by well-structured, beginner-friendly video tutorials that break down complex marketing concepts into simple, actionable steps anyone can follow. Pros 3. The AI Niche Finder is a significant time saver, efficiently analyzing market data to uncover hidden opportunities you would likely miss with manual research methods. Pros 4. The included funnel templates and website builder are incredibly useful for non-technical users, allowing for rapid deployment of professional-looking sales pages without coding. Pros 5. The private community access provides invaluable peer support and accountability, which is crucial for overcoming obstacles and staying motivated on the entrepreneurial journey. Cons 1. The monthly subscription fee can be a barrier for those on a very tight budget, and the value is only realized after you've invested significant time to complete the training and implementation phases. Cons 2. Some advanced modules feel rushed compared to the foundational content, leaving power users wanting more depth on complex scaling strategies and advanced traffic tactics. Cons 3. Like many online courses, achieving success requires immense self-discipline. Without consistent action, the product becomes an expensive library of unused information. Cons 4. The software tools, while convenient, are not best-in-class standalone solutions and may eventually need to be replaced with specialized platforms as a business scales significantly. Cons 5. Customer support response times can be slow during peak hours, which can be frustrating when you encounter a technical issue that blocks your immediate progress. User review, Sarah Jenkins 5. The AI niche tool alone is worth it. Found a profitable market in one day. User review, Marcus Chun 4. Great for beginners. The videos are clear, but it requires serious work. User review, David Rodriguez 2. Overhyped. The concepts are basic, and the software is just okay. User review, Emily Watson 5. Finally, an all-in-one solution that made sense. My first site is already earning. User review, Kevin Liu 3. The community is helpful, but I expected more advanced traffic strategies. User review, Amanda Price 4. The funnel builder saved me so much time. A solid system overall. User review, Robert Fitzgerald 1. Not what I expected. Felt like a very expensive basic marketing course. User review, Chloe Williams 5. Worth every penny. The step-by-step process took the guesswork out. User review, Daniel Brown, 3, it's good, but the subscription adds up. Make sure you're ready to commit. User review, Jessica Miller, 4, solid training and tools. Help me structure my online business properly. Conclusion, a robust and beginner-friendly platform that provides a clear path to starting an online business. Its integrated approach is its greatest strength, making it a worthwhile investment for those committed to following the process. Thank you for watching. Link to order in the description. https://jvz3.com/c/349437/424563.